Please, I want to ask something quickly, or I want to say something. Why is it that girls, you people are so quick to drag somebody that is a public figure, especially when the person asks you out and you guys now fall out or have issues? You people are so quick to drag the person. Like, oh, he asked me out, he told me he wanted to sleep with me. But if the person was not a popular person or a public figure, would you still drag the person like that? If the person nobody know him, like, I don't even know how to explain this thing, because if it's a random guy that is asking you out and you guys fall out, would you drag him online? I want to just know, like, I'm just asking. Or because this person is a public figure, that's why you people now say, okay, since everybody knows him, let me tell them what he does. I want to know, because would you give that same energy if the person was not known by everybody? I'm just asking politely, please.